It's the IOD JPY pair H4 chart. From this H4 chart, market already come to confluence level like 200 EMA here, 200 EMA, horizontal support, trend line support. So three confluence, more or less three confluence here. So if market starting to make a bullish candle or make, it may come here and make here, make here. So in this scenario we make here buy, only buy, not sell. From next previous 12 hours or previous 24 hours we are waiting for buy. Soon it will start to go buy. But now we are waiting for buy. Today we have no any news for Australian dollar or Japanese yen. For this reason it is a valid buy from here and start minimum 2 bullish candlesticks. After the 2 bullish candlesticks or from this area we need to make a buy. So from this chart we also need to wait. Wait and patience is the pillar of success in forex market. If you cannot take the patience or you cannot wait for better entry position, you will never be a successful in forex market. So must you need to wait in this chart. It's just wow. Australian dollar and US dollar. Australian dollar and US dollar is for chart. It's the downtrend market, 200 EMA. It is a good resistance area. It's the resistance area. It's the support area. It's the strong resistance area. So from here, need to market go up, but we not take entry. From here we need to make a sell position only. This is the selling zone. This is the selling zone. From this selling zone we need to make sell, and soon this market will come here, and from here we need to make sell. It is Euro USD H4 chart. Euro USD 4-hour chart. From this 4-hour we can think this is the resistance area. This is the resistance area, and here it is support area. From this this is the downtrend market. Obviously it is a downtrend market. From this downtrend market, because why this is downtrend market? It is a 200 EMA. 200 EMA market is below the 200 EMA. Here one trend line. It also indicates a downtrend market. From this downtrend market, always we are wait for sell position. We think it can go here, or can go here, or can go here. So it is our selling zone. It is our selling zone, and it also a selling zone. It is a strong selling zone. It's our strong selling zone, sell zone. From this zone we will try to make sell. So always we are waiting for this. So from here we are waiting for sell, not to make any buy. It is a GBP JPY pair. From this pair we make a support area. It's the support area, previous resistance, now making a support. It also good resistance, recent high price. It also It also support now. Okay, 200. It is 200 EMA. It is 200 EMA. So market is uptrend. So from this uptrend market, we need to go only buy position. So our expectation, market come here, market come here, market come here, here or here. So it is our selling, it is our buy zone, it is our buy zone, because 200 EMA act as a dynamic support, and it also horizontal support also. Market is uptrend, so from here we need to make buy position. When again when we get a bullish candle, minimum 2 candle, so from here we need to make buy. So now we are waiting for buy. Softly we need to make buy position from here. It's a downturn market. GBP JPY H4 chart, 4-hour chart. This 4-hour chart, we can see sharply downward market. From the downward market, 200 EMA. From the downward market to all lowest, we will try to make only sell entry, and never go to buy. So we are wait for sell, but from where we need to go sell or short? Obviously from a key point or from verified resistance, from the resistance area. So where are our resistance area? This is the 200 EMA, this is the horizontal resistance line, and market now already starting to go up. Don't worry, market where go? Up or down? If go here, then it is our considerable point for sell. From this point we make sell, and we make this sell here. But from this area we not make any buy, because actually this market is downtrend, not to go short, not to go buy, but we're starting, and we hope it will go up, but we not take. We are waiting for sell. From here we make sell. We make from here we make sell, and we are waiting. When market go to here and making some candlesticks, bearish candlesticks, then we make sell here, and we make a stop loss swing high, and our target, this running point here, it is our target. So it is our expectation, but from here we will buy, sell. Support area, it's a resistance area, and it also a resistance area. It also now at this moment it's a resistance area. This is 200 EMA. 200 EMA. Market is on below the 200 EMA, so market is downtrend. From downtrend market or lowest, we need to make only sell position. So from where it is now market is starting to go up, so it is a good position to make buy. But from my strategy, I not to give a buy entry, because overall market is downward. So what I need to do? Market to go here, to go here, and this is the selling zone. From this sell area we need to make sell. we are waiting for this. We are waiting for sell up here. I think next 24 hours market will go here. Next 24 hours market will go here. From this area we need to go sell. But why will not to go up or buy position? Why will not take? Because trend is always is our trend. We never to make any answer against that trend. When we make this, when we make a sell position, is the accuracy percentage is more. But from here, yes, obviously it is support, a strong support, and from this strong support making a bullish movement already started bullish movement, but it is against the trend. For this reason we not to make any buy position here. Always we need to try to keep ourselves on towards the trend. It is USD index or US on 100 H480. Yesterday we are telling to you to make a buy position from here. Now we are getting some profit. Now we close all of our profit touch. Now we are waiting for buy again, because this is the uptrend market. From the uptrend market we never to go any short or sell position. Now starting to go sell, but we never to make any sell, because this is the uptrend market. From the uptrend market, always we are trying to go buy. So we are waiting to come here. Market here come to here. Market when come here, then we make 1 2 1 2 3 confluence like moving average, 200 EMA and trend line. For that reason we make here buy area. It is a buy area for us, and we are waiting for buy position. When market again come here and making some buy bullish candlesticks, then we make here buy. So we are waiting for buy here.